The first handheld hairdryer debuted nearly 100 years ago. And since then, the basic design hasn't changed much. It's unbelievable to us that the hairdryers haven't really improved since the 1920s. So we knew it was time for an upgrade. Meet the AER, the world's first professional-grade, smart, completely cordless hairdryer. AER seamlessly bridges the gap between beauty and technology to bring you revolutionary hair care tech without the cords. No battery in existence was powerful enough to run a cordless hairdryer, so we invented one. Our proprietary lithium silicon AER battery performs even better than the premium corded hairdryers on the market, yet uses only a fraction of the electricity. In order to create a truly disruptive hairdryer, we started from the inside out. From the completely redesigned lithium silicon AER battery cells, to the brain-like microcontroller, to the smart humidity sensor that automatically adjusts to your specific environment, AER is the first hairdryer that gets better, smarter, and caters more to your lifestyle the more you use it. The Smart Dry AI mode uses 13 sensors to read the humidity in the air and temperature conditions in real time. The hairdryer learns from this data to adjust airflow, temperature, and drying time to not only prevent damage to your hair, but promote healthy, shiny hair. Plus, you can take the hairdryer anywhere. Its compact size and up to 4-hour runtime make getting ready on the go a breeze. The hairdryer is quieter than most corded dryers, so you can dry your hair without a second thought. We're years ahead of any other battery technology in the world. The hairdryer doesn't just have the most revolutionary battery tech on the planet, it also uses AI to make dry times faster so you can get on with your day. And it continues to lower the global eco-impact with different uses of energy. After 7 years of hard work, the AER hairdryer is fully developed, functioning, and ready to ship soon. So join us in the cordless hairdryer revolution. Let the AER hairdryer improve the health of your hair, all while cordlessly tagging along to your on-the-go lifestyle. Please back us today.